Okay, this indicator is mine. So if you need the indicator, you check on the section. On the grant section, you're gonna see my number. You chat me up, and that you need the indicator, the Pine script, and I'm gonna send it to you to your mail. So today, sometimes when I hear people saying that you can't trade a small account, you don't need $10, you don't need $15, you don't need $20, you don't need $100 to trade forex. You you need from 200, 150, $500, $1K. Okay, but that's not true. If you have the right setup, if you have the right strategy, you can trade even a $5 account. Okay, if you know your risk management properly. Okay, I think I also hear some traders saying that a smaller account is meant for scalping, but I'm telling you that you can trade a trend using smaller accounts. Okay, I'm not good at scalping. I'm a trend guy. Okay, all my trades are trends using the higher time frames. Okay, but I also have some scripts that I'm gonna be advertising soon on scalping. Okay, I designed that script on scalping and go out to trade or something like that. I lost a lot of money trying to learn this thing, forex. But today I boosted my accounts. Today with small money from your risk management. Stick to one strategy. Okay, stick to your strategy. Okay. Today I'm gonna be talking about this script which I use, and this script is awesome. Okay, so awesome, and believe me, you're gonna love this script. Okay, you're gonna love this script. So you can see here, I've been testing this script with various indicators. Now I testing it in linear regression, and it's awesome on linear regression channel. So it's called multi-time frame buy sell labels with daily, weekly support, resistance, MAs, and super trend. So if you go over to the settings of this script, you can see the daily support, resistance, weekly support, resistance, entry, time frame. Okay, it provided where the label is gonna enter from the 15-minute lower time frame. Okay, you can turn off. There's a we have the support and resistance whatsoever settings you want to do. The super trend is there and all that. Okay, now let me show you guys something that now in this script works based on the daily and the weekly alignment on same support and resistance. Now when the daily support aligns together with the weekly support, there's a strong tendency that price is going to reverse. Okay, there's a price tendency that price is gonna reverse. But now when the price reverse and get to some certain points, maybe it gets to a daily resistance or daily support, it indicates that there is a daily resistance at so level, there's a daily support at so level, there's a weekly support at so level, and there's a weekly resistance at so level. Okay, now the script is not a static script, it's not a static support and resistance, it's updates based on what the price levels. Okay, they based on price actions. So the script moves with the candle, and also it operates some part of the dynamic and also operates some part of the statics. Okay, which is it uses the previous levels, the previous price actions to calculate against the next day what price action. So that's the script. Okay, so as you can see, I'm gonna use this script to analyze 3 or 4 currencies. Okay, now this is the Euro USD. You can see that Euro USD reaches daily and weekly support. They all align at the same support level. Okay, and there's a buy label here that says that you should buy on the next candle closes. Okay, when the next candle closes above this candle, above this selling candle, is an indicating, it indicates for you to enter the trade. So that's why the candle comes, that's why the label comes over here. Now, if the label comes at this candle here, okay, many a times when I'm testing this indicator, this script, I found out that price bypass the label. Okay, the entry was label. So I come to realize that price respects the second candle closes above this candle. Okay, that touches this daily support and weekly support resistance. Now, daily resistance and daily support levels or lines, or yeah, levels or lines, whatever you might call it or whatever I may call it. Now, it's not all the time that price respects those levels, but price respects the daily support and the daily and the weekly support aligning on the same levels. Okay, because these are where the buyers or the sellers are entering the trade. Okay, now nobody's gonna tell you this, but I'm telling you the truth about how I trade my trade. So now you can see that the daily support and the weekly support price aligns at the same support levels. Okay, now there's an alert on this indicator. Okay, there's an alert there that when price reaches both the support and the resistance level at the same time, it triggers an alert for those of you who can look at the chart 24/7. Okay, it triggers an alert. Now, in this trade, I'm not going to be entering this trade today. Okay, I'm going to be entering it tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow. So I'm going to wait for the second candle to close this above this candle here. Okay, so that's how it is. Then I'm going to take my profits at this daily resistance here, okay, or whatever, or you can use a risk to reward ratio of 1:1, which is profitable. Okay, 1:1 risk to reward ratio works better. Okay, so let's go to the USD card. Now, yesterday I was trading the USD card, but I had to pull out at the first at the videos. I draw the lines on the first profit, second profit, third profit levels. Okay, I have to pull out because now yesterday, due to the election, the US election, so price retraces, but USD card is gonna continue falling. Okay, so if you go back to the weekly time frame, you can see that it all aligns same as the daily world time frame, like I mentioned earlier. So Euro USD to the same thing. So if you check the weekly time frame, you can see. Okay, so also the daily time frame, you can see it all aligns together. So the USD card is gonna drop too. The USD card is gonna still drop. So you wait for the next candle what closes above this candle. So don't enter the market yet. Don't enter the market yet. You have to be patient to wait for the next candle before you could dive in the market. Okay, when the candles opens the next day with a sell, you dive inward the market. So let's go to the USDJPY. Now, if you see the USDJPY aligns at the same daily support and resistance. Now, this is awesome. Okay, this is so awesome. Um I'm gonna be trading the USD card tomorrow still because I love trading USD card and USDJPY. Okay, I'm gonna be trading the USD card tomorrow still. So you can see that the weekly time frame, the daily resistance and the weekly resistance aligns. Okay, the daily time frame, daily resistance and weekly resistance align at the same resistance levels. So this is gonna drop. You're gonna take your profits here. Okay, for USD JPY, you're gonna take your profits here at the top of the super trend. What line? Gonna take your profits at this level, or you can use risk to reward what ratio. So if we go over to CADJPY, where's the CADJPY? CADJPY, okay. Let's check the CADJPY. Now you can see that the CADJPY, let's see, okay. The CADJPY, the same thing, it aligns at the same what levels. You can see it. the same level. So we're gonna take our profits at this point, okay, or using risk to reward ratio of 1:1, okay, of what 1:1. Using your risk to reward ratio of what 1:1. So you can see that the syllabus say that you should wait for the second candle to open to close above this candle. I'm gonna be dropping a video very soon on candle open and candle closes. So guys, so this is it, okay? So this is an awesome indicator for you to use. So if you need the script, you're gonna send me a DM on my WhatsApp number, which is indicated on the description below. So and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay. So this script is so awesome. So awesome. So I'll be coming out live tomorrow. I'll be coming out live tomorrow to trade this currency, to trade live. So click on the like buttons, click on the subscribe button, so you get my notifications when I drop the video or when I come out live.